My name is Eric, and this is the Thrifting with the Joneses YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to show you how to do YouTube at a high volume. We're considered high volume sellers. We sell high value, everyday common items like you would get from any retail store or mall anywhere in the country. So we sell very common items and we sell them at a high volume. So we're going to be six-figure sellers this year. I'm going to show you in my eBay store how many listings we have, how much revenue we have. I just wanted to make this video to show you who I am and prove to you that I actually do run a pretty good store, and you should probably follow along. This is our store right here. As you can see, we're doing all right in sales. We're in the middle of summer slowdown, but our last 90 days we're at 22% right now. Or excuse me, we're at 22,000. We're down 15%. At our peak right before summer slowdown, we were at 27,000. So we're down about 15%. We were at max, I think 20 to 25%. We currently have just below 3,400 listings. We do about 25 listings a day. We're getting ready to increase that to 35. We have 100% feedback. I'm very proud of that. We have had some negatives here and there, but we've been able to work it out with customers. As you can see here, over the last 12 months, we did 53,000. Now, mind you, I have been a full-time reseller for going on a year now. The end of July is a year. My wife just recently retired from her job to help me. So we have really, really been working hard, and we've really, really been pushing. That's why I know that we're going to be six-figure sellers, and that's a gross number. That is not what we profited. We profit about 55 to 65%. Our cost of goods is about $1 per item, and we sell somewhere around 15 to 20 items per day, give or take. And we just now expanded to not one, not two, but 3 separate platforms. So we are currently on eBay, and we're getting ready to cross-post all of our stuff from eBay to both Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. So we're really, really excited about doing that. We were on the fence about doing that, but we're going to show you step by step what we do, and you can follow along in the journey. So again, my name is Eric. This is Thrifting with the Joneses. We actually have a Facebook group. If you want to join that, I'm going to leave the link to the group in the description here. We're relatively small. We got just under 500 people right now. A lot of great information. I go over how to sell common items at high volume. I show you a lot of stuff about the search engine, how to do stuff like fake sales, a lot of stuff that just isn't generally taught. So if that's something that interests you, stick around. Brand new channel. We're going to be bringing content daily, maybe even a couple times a week. I haven't decided exactly what we're going to do. This is going to be probably the channel video that people are going to see when they come in. So I know it's not fancy. As you can see our clothes in the background, and this is what reselling looks like, folks. So again, I'm Eric. This is Thrifting with the Joneses, and I can't wait to see you guys. Thank you.